How to Make Money Online in 3 minutes or less, part 4. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is the 4th part of the How to Make Money Online in 3 minutes or less series. So in this video I'm going to show you a very cool website. It's 100% legit and they are paying out on time. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment, or maybe you just want to say hi. I will definitely answer. And if you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online, please click the first link in the description of this video and go to artofmarketingelite.com. And right now let's just jump into the content of this video. How to make money online in 3 minutes or less, part 4. And the website I wanted to show you today is this one right here, mturk.com. It stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now this is a website from Amazon. Amazon owns this website and they are essentially paying you for delivering different micro jobs. So what you have to do is click right here where it says sign in as a worker, and this is all the information right here. So as you can see, it says make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks, get started with Amazon mturk. And as you can see, they have a number of different online small jobs, micro jobs. Okay, so they have image and video processing, they have data verification and cleanup, they have information gathering, they have data processing. And again, scrolling up, as you can see, it says want to make money in your spare time, become an Amazon Mechanical Turk worker and start applying your skills to the thousands of available tasks in the mturk marketplace. While computing technology continues to improve, there are still many things that people can do much more effectively than computers. These include tasks such as identifying objects in a photo or video, performing data deduplication, transcribing audio recordings, and or researching data details. So it's all super simple, no skills whatsoever needed, no experience needed. This can be done from anywhere in the world and it's super easy. It can literally be done in minutes. Okay, so this is my website for you today, mturk.com. Again, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And please check out the first link in the description of this video. Go to artofmarketingelite.com. Also check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. This was part 4. Much more is coming. So if you want to make money online in 3 minutes or less, keep on coming back to this channel. I will be always uploading videos on how to make money online and work from home. See you in the next video.